well. Today the UAE weather is not that good. It's sandstorm weather. Literally very difficult to see ahead. And there is a bridge ahead, which is, I think, when we'll go closer to it, then we're gonna realize that it's a bridge. I know, cause this is my routine road to go. Here you see, it was a bridge and it's very difficult to see. Even we were few meters away. Look at the weather. I'm trying to keep safe distance from the cars and make a video. Trying my best not to cause any hazard on the road. In this weather, I would like you to focus on few steps and few rules and regulation, which are keep safe distance between cars. Normally we tell the students and we tell people to keep safe distance, like 2 meter distance away from the car. But the thing is that when we face weathers like this, like rainy or foggy or weathers like this, means that we need to keep a proper distance, at least 1 car distance away from the front car, because tailgating is anyway not allowed and it's a fine. So we have to make sure that we keep safe distance. As you saw, this car was about to do the parking and I started pressing the brakes when I was like few meters away from the car. So you have to make sure that always keep safe distance, focus, try not to cover your windows because it's a hot weather. A lot of people try to cover the windows. To make sure that the windows are always like this, nothing on it, so you can see clearly. Keep your windows clean so you don't because it's a dusty weather, so it will be difficult for you to keep it up. There is a bridge at the front which is very difficult to see. We are going towards my student. She's driving right now. Mashallah, she knows how to drive, so she's driving. Here's the bridge. Very difficult to see the bridge. This is the city center. And one of my students, she's driving. It's not very difficult to drive unless you keep proper measurements and calculations. Has to make sure that they keep proper control of the car and make sure that come to the right. You need to make sure that you check all your mirrors while driving so you don't cause any accidents on the road. 60 km. 50 kilometers is quite enough to drive, or max 60. Don't exceed the speed. If you will exceed the speed, it's not very easy to control the car because you might not be able to see the bicycles, you might be not able to see the pedestrian crossing. So you have to make sure that you are keeping the safe distance with the control of the car, with the speed limit. Keep always the speed limit slow. Especially in the weather, rainy weather, foggy weather, sandstorm, all these kind of windy weather.